This is Crypto Coin Investor. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss Ethereum Classic. This is one of the most least discussed coins out there. It has been slowly making big gains in terms of USD. Last month we were hovering between $5 and $7.5, and it's just middle of February and we have almost doubled. Yet not a lot of people are talking about this very coin, even though it is available on all major platforms, including the very popular Coinbase. So I'm going to discuss the Ethereum Classic USD pair, BTC pair, as well as the ETH pair, as well for those who like to trade their Ethereum for Ethereum Classic and vice versa. So this is sorry for that noise. So this is the Ethereum Classic USD pair from the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. This is the daily chart, 1D chart, and I have enabled this indicator called Ichimoku, which basically gives us an idea whether where the resistance and the support zones are. So to keep the things simple, at first I'm going to turn it off. So yeah, there you go. And this white line that you see here, this is the 21-day moving average, and it usually acts as support if you're above it, and if you're below it, it usually acts as resistance. You can see that, and this applies on all time intervals, whether you observe it on daily or weekly. You can see that in case of heavy correction, this 21-day moving average plays a crucial role. It also acts as heavy resistance if the price is below this white line that you see here. And here you have the MACD. So on the weekly, you can see that we have very strong support at around $7.2, but I don't want ETC to come down and test that level, because we have formed this nice W-shaped formation and we are now moving to the upside. So the next zones, the next price ranges to the price targets to look out for is this $21, followed by $26, $35, and $43. If we zoom out, we don't have any, and that's because that was the $42, $44 was the top back in 2018. Things are going to change this year though, because the Bitcoin has more than doubled. So I'm expecting Ethereum Classic to make similar moves, and to find those price targets, you can make use of something like Fibonacci retracement tools. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Fibonacci here to get a rough idea of where the things are going. So you can play around on these ranges. I'm going to extend a little bit so that we get more accurate results. There you go. So you can clearly see that the $18-19 range is acting as resistance, which is why we got rejected here. And let me switch to the daily chart to get a better idea where we are going. And let me go full screen as well. So yeah, so let me turn off auto here. Okay, so we can now go up and see the levels to look out for. So once the $19 level is up, the Fibonacci tells us $23 is the one to look out for. And after that, this coincides with the level I already mentioned. The $35 level will be very crucial, which is almost double where we just touched. Like we touched $17 just 3 days back, and if you double 17, it's almost $35. So for this cycle, I'm expecting Ethereum Classic to touch at least 26 and probably $34 as well. There's a lot of upside. There will be corrections, there will be accumulations, there will be corrections, just like what is happening on Bitcoin. Nothing goes up in a straight line. When you see something like this, you would want to see some sideways action before you move to the upside. So I'm expecting Ethereum Classic to cross $18, $21, and $23 very soon. And once we cross that, we may go sideways for a few days before moving to the upside, reaching our final target of $35 for this cycle. I'm not saying it's the end of the road. If you want to see, if you are adventurous and you don't like to trade between the ranges here, what you can do is just hold on to it and let the Fibonacci tell you the various levels to look out for. So let's say the Bitcoin touches $100,000. So Ethereum Classic would adjust its ratio and price as well. So after $35, 43, which is on the previous all-time high, followed by $53, $72, and $84. So nearly $100 Ethereum Classic is totally possible. Will it happen in this cycle? Probably not. But it can definitely happen by the end of 2021 if the BTC touches $100,000. So this is, feel free to screenshot it. So you can screenshot this very page, that you see here. So the levels to look out for. So let us move to the ETC BTC pair. Where is it? ETC BTC pair. Again, this is from the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange, and this is what I drew back in January, where we were hovering around 0.00239, and I said there's a high probability that we will reach 44690 in next month or so, and we're about to reach that very level. So we're almost there, and I think in few days or so we will touch 0.004414. And I've already mentioned the levels to look out for on the BTC pair. We have already broken out, and we are now accumulating. So we see us excited with accumulation, and probably very soon we will look how we touched this fail level and got rejected. My targets were so accurate, like we touched it and we came down, and now we are reaccumulating before we. And I think on the third time we will definitely cross this level, and we will. This level will. It's a resistance. It will form a support level. For then we will touch 0.0052, followed by 0.0074, and I think a modest target would be this one. I mean, if I hold a lot of Ethereum Classic, I will start offloading it at around this. In rest of my bag at 0.00093. So this is what I expect to happen in this cycle, not for the long-term cycle. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. The MACD has flipped to the green side, which is good, which shows that more positive stuff is about to happen on the ETC BTC pair. So you can gain more Bitcoin by trading your Ethereum Classic, your Bitcoin for Ethereum Classic right now. We are still just getting started. So I'm expecting huge moves once the BTCD, the Bitcoin dominance, starts going down, which basically tells us where the money is flowing. So if you see this increasing, this means that money is flowing from the altcoins to the Bitcoin. But now it is dropping very fast, which clearly shows that the BTC ratios are going to improve, not just the USD ones. So this is the ETC BTC chart. Let me again move to the daily chart so you can have an idea where we can go this month. Let me move this thing. We are right here. Okay, so I'm expecting this to touch at least this level by the mid of March 15th. So by mid of March, I'm expecting Ethereum Classic to make 153% jump from where we are on the ETC BTC pair. And let's just talk about the ETC ETH pair a little bit, because again, the Ethereum, we have been just lagging behind. Ethereum has been killing it. The Ethereum Classic, it's forgotten brother. This has been really lagging behind, but we have been making strong moves here, and Ethereum Classic from the past 5-6 days has been outperforming Ethereum, and you can see that we have in this 21-day moving average had earlier been acting as resistance, if we have finally broken out, and now we are testing this level. After this, probably this is the level to look out for, which we have already tested once, and I think we will cross it this time. Then we will cross 0.013 followed by 0.016. This pair is for those who like to increase their Ethereum holding, and I would get out of Ethereum Classic at this level 0.024. This level has been tested way too many times in the past, and I'm pretty sure we won't be able to cross it in one go. So a lot of upside. I mean, we are here, and if you see the potential, even if you buy right now and you sell around here just to be on the safe side, you can just double your Ethereum. So if you buy, let's say, 50 Ethereums worth of Ethereum Classic right now, I mean, and if you start selling here, some here, and some here, you can nearly double your Ethereum. It's that easy. But you need to be patient. You need to stick to plan. There will be corrections. There will be media spreading all sorts of stupid news just to crush the price. So yeah, feel free to screenshot this one as well. I know not a lot of people trade ETC, ETH Pair. I do because I like to keep my holdings in only 3 coins. That is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins like USDC, BUSD, PUSD. So that's all about it. I will be discussing more altcoins in the upcoming video, so stay subscribed, hit the like button. That's all I need from you guys. No donation, no courses, or no stupid courses or anything. I'm doing this for fun, so all I need is support from you guys. Just hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more price analysis and ICO reviews. Bye bye.